welcome back to another video with Zinksoodle. So today we'll be showing you how to use the rattlesnake egg gag. So let's get started. So when you open the package for the first time, you'll see that there is this weird looking thing with a washer and rubber bands and some sort of metal wire. So what you do is, as soon as you get it out, you start spinning it. I like to spin it forward, and that's the way I'm going to be doing it in this tutorial. So if you want to follow along, you can spin it forward. And now you take your package and you place this inside of it. You make sure that it doesn't unravel before you put it all the way in. So now, when you close it and give it to somebody, they'll open it, and they'll hear that sound and it'll pop out. They get really scared that there's an actual rattlesnake that happened and it actually came out. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.